I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
Ugh. Yuck.
Okay, so...
Well, nobody's watching this video now because they all said, nope.
Yep, exactly. So, we have...
Look at these witness marks on the upper arm. And boy, they're like grinding. Like
yeah, I mean,
it has like burrs and everything.
But yet, we check here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's no marks on the tab. None.
None. That's hard to shoot, but hold the light steady, fool. Is there marks there? Oh, no, that's light. Okay, so nope. What about... No, it's not the bolt for the... That was my other thought. Is it the bolt?
Yeah.
For... Because that's in the line of fire. But you know what? God, that's close. Is it the bushing? Not the bushing.
No, I mean, they could be replaced sometime soon, but...
No, I'm saying is it the washer, but there's no marks on it, too.
Nope.
I'm curious. Maybe let's put the jack under here and watch this arm work. Maybe we can get it to... Maybe we can get it to pop while we're jacking. I heard that asshole talking shit behind your back.
He's been doing it a lot lately.
Guy needs a breath.
He keeps giving me the excuses of, but I like spicy food.
Needs a breath mint. Anyway, all right. So let's get the jack under the arm and let's yak it up and see what we got. You say you had to get back up to jack off the car?
Yes, correct.
All right. Carefully. That was the jack. Keep going. I want to see if we make noise. Let me know when you're coming off the stand, though.
Nope, we're good.
Okay, keep yakking then. Now you're off the stand.
Yep.
Okay, so our bushings for our shocks are good. They're beautiful, actually. So that's not it. There's no witness marks in here. There's just that witness mark there. Our ball joint's perfect.
Right, let me wash my hands so I don't get grease on the paint.
There's no play here.
Right, I mean, everything.
I gotta believe it's the isolator on the spring up in the chassis that...
That's what I'm leaning the exact same way.
That shit the bed. I mean, it's... What, like 22, 23 years old-ish? It's at least 20.
And that's what, a 91?
Oh, God, no. This is a 2000...
Well, they didn't
2 or 3 or 4. I have it in the... It's on the thing. I just can't remember off the top of my head. I'm sorry. We got way too many things in my brain. But yeah, it's post Y2K.
Yeah.
But still, it's still 20 plus years now.
Yeah.
How is that 20 years? How is that 20 plus years?
2030
Yeah.
is closer.
That was did you spit on me or was that a raindrop? It's raining. Make it rain. 2030.
2050. Hell, 2030
Okay.
is closer than... Go back a year or two in your head.
Yeah, I know. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
I'm feeling really friggin' old lately.
You are old. Okay, bounce it gently. Go. You're on the jack stand, too. You probably... That was the jack trying to kill itself. Go ahead. Nothing. Because I don't think you can get enough bounce on the jack. I swear it's the... It's gotta be the... It's gotta be. There's no other...
I mean, because absolutely everything is tight.
This witness mark is from this when you turn, touching here.
Yeah.
So that's resolved. There's really no other witness marks. I mean, the brake line touching the frame and cleaning it gently, but that ain't gonna do anything.
Cleaning it gently. Sorry.
And when this thing's down, this arm's nowhere near the chassis, so
Right?
it's got to be the spring in the bucket.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll send that over to Sam. That's a lot of work, by the way, to pull the springs.
Oh, yeah.
and put isolators in. So just
Well, it's totally up to him. I mean, if he wants us to do it, guess what? We do it.
yeah, I mean
It's
that's
as simple as that. He's a customer
Yep. So,
and a friend.
oh yeah, definitely. We love Sam. Sam's cool. All right, so let's get the wheel back on this. Let's put it back on the stand. Put the wheel back on this. Let's get all our rear stuff figured out, and then we'll come back to this. I'll send this video over to Sam.
Sounds like a plan, Stan.
No, not Stan. Sam.
You didn't even get the reference.
I do get the reference, but
What's it from?
some movie. It's in a lot of things, actually, so you really can't pinpoint.
Children.
Oh, hush.
It's from a song.
It's playing, Stan.
No, you
Something
were right.
about Clyde.
Make a new plan, Sam.
Make a new plan, Stan. Sounds like a plan, Stan.
I just corrected...
Get on the bus, Gus.
Yes, I just corrected myself, and you said it wrong again.
I don't know. Hey, Sam's into music, too. Maybe he'll call us and yell at us for being stupid. Anyway,
No, he can yell at you. I was smart enough to correct myself and say it the right way. And then what did you do? You said it wrong again.
it's okay. Anyway, enough
On that
witty
note,
banter.
yes. On that note, we'll get this taken care of.
Well, we're going to discuss it with Sam.